Abula sopa de lentejas con tocino. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 45 to 50 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 cups dry brown or green lentils, 6 slices thick cut bacon, 8 cups chicken broth or water, 2 pieces bay leaves, 3 large Roma tomatoes, a half medium white onion, 3 cloves garlic, a half teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 medium carrots, 1 piece celery stalk. Step 1. Rinse the lentils thoroughly under cold running water and drain. Place them in a large heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven with 8 cups of broth water and the bay leaves. Step 2. Bring the pot to a boil, then reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 20 minutes. The lentils should be halfway cooked, slightly tender but still firm. Step 3. While the lentils simmer, place the chopped bacon in a large skillet over medium heat. Fry until the bacon is crispy and the fat has rendered out. Using a slotted spoon, remove the bacon and set aside on paper towels, leaving the fat in the pan. Step 4. In the same skillet with the bacon fat, add the diced carrots and celery. Saute for 5 to 6 minutes until the vegetables begin to soften and pick up the smoky flavor. Step 5. Prepare the ricotta. In a blender, combine the chopped tomatoes, onion, garlic, and cumin. Blend until completely smooth. If the mixture is too thick, add a splash of water. Step 6. Push the carrots and celery to the side of the skillet and pour in the blended tomato mixture. Cook over medium-high heat, stirring constantly, for 5 to 8 minutes. The sauce should darken in color and thicken. This frying of the sauce is essential for authentic flavor. Step 7. Carefully pour the sautéed vegetable and tomato mixture into the pot with the simmering lentils. Step 8. Stir in half of the crispy bacon bits, reserve the rest for garnish to keep them crunchy. Step 9. Season with salt and pepper. Remember that bacon and broth contain salt, so taste before adding the full amount. Step 10. Cover and simmer the soup for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the lentils are completely tender and the soup has thickened slightly. Step 11. Stir in the fresh cilantro during the last 2 minutes of cooking to preserve its bright color and aroma. Step 12. Remove the bay leaves. Taste one last time and adjust seasoning if necessary. If the soup is too thick, add a little more hot broth. Step 13. Lay the hot soup into bowls. Top with the reserved crispy bacon, avocado slices, a drizzle of crema, and a few slices of serrano chili if you like a kick. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.